Hiya guys, welcome back to my channel, the channel of the Italian guy. If you don't know me yet, this is Giuseppe, 47 years old, and I have been eating keto for 2 years so far with excellent results. Today, keto ice cream. The summer has come, and here in my area we have already 30 degrees Celsius with a high humidity rate, and we definitely need something fresh. So let's go straight into the recipe. 100 grams of strawberries that I have previously cut and washed. Let's blend them. In another container, 50 grams of sweetener, 250 ml of double cream. The one I'm using now is without lactose, lactose free. This is the base for the ice cream. So you always use double cream and sweetener, and then you add the flavor. Let's blend them now with a mixer. If you put the whisks in the refrigerator, it would be easier to beat the double cream. Yeah, now let's add the strawberry and keep mixing again until the double cream gets thick. You don't need to make it really firm. And then straight in the refrigerator. Now is the hazelnut one. 100 grams of toasted hazelnuts. If you don't have them, toast them because they stand out the flavor, the toasting. Reduce them like this with the blender, a powerful blender, in a paste or a cream. And again, let's prepare the base. So the usual 250 ml of double cream, 50 grams of sweetener, beat it. So put the whisks in the freezer so you can see that will help the double cream to thick in a quicker way. Add the hazelnut paste and again beat, and here it is, straight into the freezer. Yeah, okay. If you don't have the ice cream machine, every 30 minutes you can mix it again so that the ice cream will become soft. Of course, will be soft. Of course, you have to consume it straight away. But anyway, last one, pistachios. Again, put the pistachio in a powerful blender so that they become a paste like this. Again, the base, 250 ml of double cream, 50 grams of sweetener. This dose is to taste, so if you want more, put more. Beat it until it becomes, put the pistachio paste and keep mixing. Here it is. Straight into the refrigerator. Enjoy! Here we are. The one I'm tasting now is the pistachios. And I have to say, when you do things by yourself, you can realize what to eat outside is terrible. It's not as green as the pistachio ice cream I see outside, so that's because of the artificial colorants they put inside, and also the taste. The taste is completely different. This is genuine. I ate a lot of ice creams, pistachio ice cream, when I was a kid, but this one, that's the best taste because it's natural, it's genuine, it's not artificial. And believe me, it's really, really delicious. It's the one I like most among the strawberry and hazelnut one. So, some consideration about pistachios. The one I have used contain just 12 grams of carbs out of 100 grams of product. We use 100 grams in the recipe, so if you eat the whole ice cream, you will consume 12 grams of carbohydrates. I don't want to think that you are going to eat the whole. This is just a bit. Yeah, they are not going to eat the whole product we realized. But even though you did this, you do that, is 12 grams. So in keto we have to stay between 20 and 40. So if you stay around 40, you can definitely eat the whole ice cream, but it would be too much. So that's why I say that pistachios are keto and I use them in this recipe. Little is fine. I am lactose intolerant. What can I do? Okay, I showed you the base to produce the ice cream, heavy cream plus the sweetener. So if you're lactose intolerant, at least here in Italy, I believe the same in other countries, you can buy double cream without lactose. And that's it. We have done the trick. And I highly encourage you to do that if you're lactose intolerant, because those ice creams, believe me, are genuine. They are really, really good. Try them and let me know in the comments below. If you liked the video, please subscribe to my channel. I passed 2,700 subscribers. I'm close to 3,000 and I need your help, your support. So share the video, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for following me. See you next week.